Division of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Example. Divide 234 by 3. Solution. Step 1. We cannot divide 2 by 3. So, we divide 23 tens by 3. Step 2. Continue the division as already learned. Thus, 234 divided by 3 equals 78. Example. Divide 675 by 5. Solution. Step 1. Divide the digit at hundreds place and subtract. Step 2. Bring down the tens place digit, divide and subtract. Step 3. Divide the digit at ones place and subtract. We get 0, 0. Thus, 675 divided by 5 equals 135.